Open the inner finisher front door. Grasp the colored handle on the staple cartridge carriage and then pull the staple cartridge carriage straight out. Using the two tabs on each side of the staple cartridge, lift up to remove the empty staple cartridge from the staple cartridge carriage. Do not discard the staple cartridge carriage. It must be reused with the new staple cartridge. Recycle the empty staple cartridge. Insert the new staple cartridge into the staple cartridge carriage. Reinstall the staple cartridge carriage into the stapler by pushing the colored handle inward until it snaps into place. Close the inner finisher front door.